Hi, it's me Aine again, part 2 of the self-portrait, and I'm just going to make some quick decisions because I've got 1 minute. Okay, so I've torn some of this off and I'm going to reapply it down there with some PVA because I want this to read as the light side of the face. Okay, that's fine. And now I've got some oil pastel, which is going to allow me to make a good mark, a good dark mark, where I couldn't do it with the chalk and charcoal. This is allowing me to make a good clear dark. And I use some of the white-ish oil pastel to get some of that light back on the side of the nose there. I'm going to stop talking now because I need to do my mouth. Okay, almost there. Something of the eyebrow, underside of the nose, dark of the upper lip. There's a shadow beneath the lower lip there. You're still recording? Yes, okay. And this is Aine Divine, coming to you from Cockenzie House, suggesting that you give this portrait painting lark a go. Self-portrait, I mean. I'm just finished with a bloody flourish now. If we've got... No, I haven't. Have I? Okay. Just do a bit more to that.